Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a long time ever since I did the last video. So today I just thought of maybe taking you along how I prepare myself from hair to makeup, and yes, as I leave for work. And so I do Pixie hair. I think that's the name. I'm gonna write it up there. Pixie hair, that's the name. I apparently knew that's the style that I usually do. I've been doing it for almost like 7 months now. And it's so convenient for me, like it's less stressful. I feel like it's really goes well with my face, and yeah, it's giving me the look that I want for now. I really hope that I don't wish to have any other thing. Probably having a wig. I'm thinking of getting myself a wig, but for now, this is what I do. So what I just did now is I just relaxed my hair. I just relaxed it. I use Movit. This Movit. Okay. So I'm gonna already it was relaxed like 2 weeks ago, so it's just a few growths here and there. And then I'm gonna take a shower, okay, and then probably dress up, and then when I do my hair, like putting on the gel and everything, I'll be dressed up, and then I finish up with my makeup. Yeah, so you can see the final look. Okay, yeah, this is how it looks now. I still have like I have a few, like maybe 6 minutes to go. It's gonna be ready. From then I just take a shower, come back dressed. Now finish up with the hair, with the hairstyle, my makeup, and off we go. Yes. I hope you guys have been fine. It's been a long time. I've been thinking on what niche to have on my YouTube, and that's why I've been silent, because I don't want to come back and then I really don't have good content for you guys. Okay, I believe there's so much, like I have so many things I want to do and bring up on my YouTube, but I have to decide which exactly. Or maybe if I'm gonna do all of them, I believe I cannot do all of them, but at least I'll just have to put up the ones that I know I'm passionate about, and also which are gonna interest you, and then now we can move on from then. For now, this is one thing I love. Like anyone who knows Maya knows, I love beauty, I love makeup, I just love looking good. So why not show you how it's gonna turn out? Okay, see you when I'm ready. Okay, when I'm ready with the hair, when I've washed my hair and everything. So guys, I'm back. I'm ready. At least I'm dressed up, and my hair is also well relaxed at the moment. So I'm gonna use this. This is soft and free. It's soft and free. That's what I use. I'll take a good amount of it, put it in my hands like that, and smear it on my hair. My hair is already well relaxed right now, so it's one of the easiest. Hairstyles to have when you're thinking of going bald. It takes less than 5 minutes to get done with it, literally. You see? Trying to remove all the excess and make sure that every bit of the hair is has the gel. Excuse me guys, I have this cold. It's not, I think it's cold because my voice is very hoarse at the moment, so I hope you're hearing me well. But and then I have this to remove the excess gel in my hands, and also to wipe off these areas that have excess gel, because my face don't need no gel. Okay. So I hope you've seen how I've done the cut. It's very simple, very simple. And at this point I haven't used my brush. I use this toothbrush. I feel like it gives me a seamless outcome, a very smooth one, so I prefer using this. And then you try and push it forward, kind of, not completely. At this point my gel is almost dry, so it should not get to this point, but I know my way around it. So after this is what you do. Just get the comb and get the small lines in between, like that. This side I only need 2 of them. See? Just trying to make it a little bit uniform with the rest, so it looks you know. Let me show you how it looks. Does it look good? Yep. So that's just it for the hair. So I'm done. Maybe I can just try and put a little bit of wings on the end, you know, but since it's already dry I'll have to add up some gel right here and right here, you know. So with this, I've made my wing. So guys, this is basically what pixie hair looks like. So I thought of just doing this. Actually this is towards the end of it. I'm actually done with the hair. So about the makeup, I'm gonna show you in the next video. I think step by step, eyebrows, how I do my eyebrows, you know. That's it. The eyeshadow, my face, how I prepare for makeup, and all those small details that I think most people find it hard to do. But for now, I hope you enjoyed this video on the pixie hair. You know, if you feel like you really want to shave, then I've given you an idea on what you can do, so that even though you have short hair, you still look elegant, right? What do you think about this hair? Comment down below. Let me know what you think, how I look. Yes. At this point, you should have realized that Maya has an elf ear. I do my makeup, it pops up so much. Let me bring it closer now. This is how it looks. This is how I look. Do you like it? And by the way, thank you for watching. Thank you for following up. See you on the next video. I hope I'll upload something else soon enough. Bye.